Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showcasing a step-by-step tutorial on how to scrap LinkedIn website using Octoparse. So in this video we'll be using Octoparse to scrap the LinkedIn website. So before we start this website, I wanted to let you know that I've been doing web scraping for the past 4 or 5 years. So I have ample amount of experience in this field. If you want to hire me for long-term work or any future collaborations, you can contact me on my email shown on the screen. Okay, now let's get started with the tutorial. So first, we do not need to get logged in on LinkedIn to scrap with Octopass. I have a trick that I'll share with you. So if you open this LinkedIn, you will see that it will show us to pop up saying that we need to sign in to show the jobs, right? But you can click on this jobs icon here, and then the LinkedIn will show here. So I will just cross this out. Now you can see we have got everything we need. So from here, for example, I will write data scientist and I will choose the location as Germany and I'll click on enter. Now you'll see, okay, so let me just change the, okay, so Germany, and you can see we are getting the listings. Now we do not even need to get logged in. Now how to scrap this? We can also add more job type, company, whatever filters we actually need, okay? So anyways, how to scrap is basically I will copy the link from here, open up my Octopus account, and from here I'll click on custom new, and then I'll click on custom task. And then I'll just paste in my URL here. So we can see that the LinkedIn will show up here. So now I'll turn on the browse mode, cross these out, and then I will name this task as LinkedIn bot, and I'll just click here under the tips. I can click here auto detect web page data. What it will do is basically it will auto detect all the listings jobs on the page, and it will give us the workflow. So once that is loaded, you will see the results. Okay, great. So you can see you are getting the title, the image, the job URL, and every other things that we need. So we do not need the image from here, but I do need the actual, okay, this is I guess the company URL, and this is the job URL, right? And this is the company name, location, and this is the job. And so I will just clear this add page scroll and create on workflow. So here from I will name this as title. So job title, instead of space I will use underscore and get job title, and there I will just write job URL, and here I will write company URL and then company name, and location I'll let it remain location, and this is I'll just choose as active info, and also date posted. Okay, once that is done, we need to go to the listing page, actually click on it, each listing, to get the description as well. So from here you will see you'll have to pay attention a little bit. So I'll just click on select subpage URL and choose it as job URL, click on confirm. Now what it will do is basically it will open the job in a detail page for us to grab that job description and every other thing we need. So I cross this out once again, and from here I'll just see, you can see we are getting all of this. If we want, we can get this as well. So I'll just get this info as well, and here is the job description that I need. I think if I click here and then get the text and then click on clean data, we can see we are getting the full job description without even clicking on show more button. So that's good. So I'll just name it as full description. Right now from extract data 1, I'll just click on option to 2 seconds wait time, click on apply and click on save. Now I'll click on loop and it will go back to this page. So you can see it will scroll. So for scrolling, how many times it will scroll is basically from here you can select it as to the bottom of the page, and then scroll it as much as you want. Now here you can see we have like almost 14,000 data job listings, but it is up to you how many repeats you want to take. So I will just, in this example, take is to repeat 10 and wait for 4 seconds. That is enough. And also to the loop item, go to the options and check the wait before action. Okay, it is set at 2 seconds. That is fine for us. And also from extract data 1, we need to wait before action to 2 seconds. Okay, I think we are done here. Now, if we can run the LinkedIn bot, we will see that data will get scrapped. So I'll show you the results. Okay, so I have stopped the script bot at 12 listings, so I can show you the results, but you can let it run for as much as you want. So I'll just see the results we are getting. So we are getting all the company names, description, and everything. So if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and connect with me. Thank you.